Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install MySQL Server on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. Open your terminal and make sure package list is up to date. So type sudo apt update and hit enter. Provide the sudo user password. Clear the terminal. Now type sudo apt install MySQL server and hit enter to start MySQL Server installation. Type Y to confirm and hit enter. Wait until installation is complete. Now installation is complete. You can check MySQL service status by using command sudo service MySQL status. As you can see, MySQL service is started automatically after the installation. Type Q to quit the status. Clear the terminal. You can increase the security of the newly installed MySQL server by running an inbuilt script post installation. Running this inbuilt script will walk you through some steps that will enhance the database security. To run the security script, type sudo mysql _secure installation and hit enter. Now the process will warn you against connecting to MySQL server as root user using a blank password. It will prompt to set up the validate password component that can be used to check the strength of the user passwords. Press Y to confirm and any other key to skip. I will press Y here and hit enter. It will prompt to select strength of password validation 0 for low, 1 for medium and 2 for strong. I will select 1 here and hit enter. MySQL get installed with anonymous users by default. So the secure script confirms to remove the anonymous users. Press Y here and hit enter. Next is disallow root login remotely. By default, MySQL allows to connect root from remote machines. So disabling this will allow MySQL root user to connect to MySQL server only from local machine. Press Y here and hit enter. This will prevent root login from remote. Secure script will now confirm whether to remove test database that MySQL comes by default that anyone can access. Press Y here and hit enter. Security script will confirm reload the privileges right now. Type Y and hit enter. Now the MySQL post installation script has done its job. We will clear the terminal. We will now connect to the MySQL server with command sudo mysql -u root -p. Hit enter. Use the root user password to login. Type password and hit enter. Now we have connected to the MySQL server and we are inside the MySQL shell. Let's create a new database using this command. Create database sample_database. You will need to put the semicolon at the end of each MySQL statement. Hit enter. Database is created. Next, let's create a new MySQL user by typing command create user. Let's name the user as web_tutorial in single quotes. @localhost in single quotes. Identified by password in single quotes. Here web tutorial is the MySQL user and this string after identified by is its password. Hit enter. User is created. Now we have created a database and a new user. Next step is to assign permission to the new user to use the database using grant command. Grant all on database name, which is sample_database .star. To then username within single quotes, which is web_tutorial. @localhost in single quotes, semicolon. Now use flush privileges command to reload the grant tables. The grant table contains information about MySQL user accounts and the privileges they have. So flush privileges semicolon. By executing this command, we can ensure that the newly created MySQL user and its privileges are applied immediately without restarting the MySQL server. type exit and press enter to exit MySQL shell. So that's all for now. You have learned how to download and install and configure MySQL server on Ubuntu operating system. Thank you for watching.